Good morning. Exercise 4.3. Question number 2. Number 2. Question number 2. Find the roots of quadratic equation in question 1 by using quadratic formula. We use quadratic formula. What is our quadratic formula? We learn x is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and x is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First we indicate what is a, b and c. Here a is equals to 2, b is equals to 1 and c is equals to minus 2. We find b square minus 4ac is equals to 1 square minus 4. A is equals to 2, c is equals to minus 4. 1 square is equals to 1. Minus minus plus. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32 is equals to 33. B square minus 4ac is equals to 30. Our formula x is equals to, what is our quadratic formula? Yes, x is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and other is x is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here minus b, putting value b is equals to 1, therefore minus 1 plus under root 33 upon 2 into 2 equals to minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4. X is equals to minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4. Here minus 1 minus under root 33 upon 2 into a is equals to 2 is equals to minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. Both are roots of quadratic equation. Then we write like this, here plus and minus. Then we write roots of equations are minus 1 plus minus under root 33 upon 4. Or roots of equations are minus 1 plus under root 33 upon 4 minus 1 minus under root 33 upon 4. You find this or solve this equation, find the roots of this equation, then we here using quadratic formula. What is our quadratic formula? Here we write quadratic formula is equals to quadratic formula. We write here x is equals to minus b, and then find these roots. Number 3, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equals to 0. Here a equals to 4, b is equals to 4 root 3 and c is equals to 3. A, b and c. A is a coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. Now find b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square. What is the value of b square? 4 root 3 square minus 4. A is equals to 4, C is equals to 3. Equals to 4 square is equals to 16. Root 3 square is equals to 3. Minus 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. Here 48 minus 48 equals to 0. We find value of b square minus 4ac greater than 0, positive number, equals to 0, then equation has real roots. But b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no roots of quadratic equation, or roots are not exist. Here using quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b. First we write our formula, then putting value. Don't directly put value. Minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or and x is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2 equals to b is equals to 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus under root 0 upon 2 into a is equals to 4. Here minus 4 root 3 plus 0, that means 4 root 3 upon 2 into 4. 4 cut, minus root 3 by 2. X is equals to minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Here simplification. Minus 4 root 3 minus under root 0 upon 2 into a is equals to 4 is equals to minus 4 root 3 upon 2 into 4 is equals to minus root 3 by 2. X is equals to minus root 3 by 2. Then we say roots of equations are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Same roots are roots of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Then we saw that if the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then roots are same. Roots are same. We find b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Then we say that our roots are equal, same. Greater than 0, then different or and real number. Here equals to 0, then same and real number. Less than 0, roots are not exist, which is learned in after exercise 4.3. But here you find b square minus 4ac, then you say that. Then you decide here b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then roots are equal. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, here positive number. Therefore, its roots are real number and different. Here minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4 minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. Okay? You understand this question number second and third number. Now we start. Question number 2, number 4. 2x square plus x plus 4 is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 2, 1 and c is equals to 4. Now find b square minus 4ac. b square 1 square minus 4, a is equals to 2, c is equals to 4. 1 square is equals to 1 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 1 minus 32 is equals to minus 31. Here minus 31 is less than 0. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. Then in formula x is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Then value of square root minus 31 is not exist because negative value is not the square of any real number. B square minus 4ac less than 0. Here x is equals to minus b, putting in this value, plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You don't write, directly write here. There is less than 0. Therefore, roots equation has no roots. X is a no real value. Therefore, equation has no roots. Here I will write minus b minus 1 plus minus under root minus 31 upon 2 into 2. But square root of negative number square root of any number can't be negative. Square of any number can't be negative. Therefore, x has no real value. So, equation has no roots. Equation has no root. Here you say that it is less than 0, therefore equation has no roots. But for your understanding, I write here x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a formula, and then the square root of square minus 31 is not a square of any number. Negative number cannot be square of any real number. Therefore, square of any number can't be negative. Therefore, x has no real value. So, equation has no roots. Number 3. Find the roots of the following equation. Our equation is x minus 1 upon x is equals to 3. First we simplify our equation. Then we write a, b and c. Then find b square minus 4ac and using quadratic formula. Here, simplify this equation. LCM is equals to x. X square minus 1 equals to 3. Here is condition. X is not equals to 0. Suppose x is equals to 0. It is not exist because 0 can't be in denominator. We know that 0 cannot be denominator. Therefore, it is condition, given condition, x is not equals to 0. Here, x square minus 1 equals to 3x. X into multiplication, division, go to multiplication. Then x square minus 1 is equals to 3x. In equals to 0 form, x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0, which is our quadratic equation. Now we find our process to find the roots of quadratic equation. Here don't see that any using formula. Here I formula using general formula or quadratic formula. This is general formula or quadratic formula. You use completing square method, but I use here general formula. A is equals to 1, B is equals to -3, C is equals to -1, which is so easy. First we find B square minus 4AC minus 3 square minus 4. What is the value of A? 1, and value of C is equals to -1. Minus 3 square is equals to 9. Minus minus plus 4 ones are 4 is equals to 30. B square minus 4AC is equals to 30. Quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? You know, x is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and x is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here are our quadratic formula. Now x is equals to minus b. What is the value of b? b is equals to -3. b minus -3 plus b square minus 4ac is equals to 30 upon 2 into a. What is the value of a? A is equals to 1. Minus minus plus 3 plus root 13 upon 2. 3 plus root 13 upon 2. X is equals to 3 plus root 13 upon 2. X is equals to minus 3 minus root 13 upon 2 into 1 equals to 3 minus root 13 upon 2. Here, what are roots? Which are roots? 3 plus root 13 upon 2, 3 minus root 13 upon 2. 3 plus root 13 upon 2 and 3 minus root 13 upon 2 are roots of quadratic equation. Again, equation is this. First we simplify equation, x in multiplication, and then LCM of this equation x square minus 1 is equals to 3, x square minus 1 is equals to 3x, x square minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0, which is our quadratic equation. Here putting value a, b and c, find b square minus 4ac. Then using quadratic formula, write quadratic formula, and using the value of minus b and under root b square minus 4ac, then we get roots of equations are 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. Question number 3, number 1 is completed. Now, question number 2. Number 2. Question number 3. Number 2. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30. First we simplify equation, then we get equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then we find our roots. Find the roots of equation using quadratic formula. Now, LCM of this number. First we take left side x plus 4 into x minus 7. Then 1 into multiply x minus 7 minus 1 into multiply x plus 4 equals to 11 by 30. Okay? Now open the brackets. X minus 7 minus x plus minus 4 ones are 4 upon multiplication of these two brackets. X square minus 7x plus 4x plus minus 4 sevens are 28. You know multiplication of these two. First term multiply whole bracket and second term multiply whole bracket is equals to 11 by 30. Here x minus x square implies minus 7 minus 4 is equals to minus 11 upon x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 3x minus 28 equals to 11 upon 30. Now cross multiplication. Minus 11 into 30 is equals to 11 into this equation x square minus 3x minus 28. We write here cross multiplication. Now 11 is a multiple of this polynomial and here 11 is a common factor. Then we write here in division minus 11 into 30 upon 11 equals to x square minus 3x minus 28. So easy. Equation becomes so easy. But you take here 11x square minus 11 is a 33x minus 11 28. It is so tough. 11 cut. Then sign is minus 30 equals to x square minus 3x minus 28. We write here x square minus 3x minus 28 minus 31 other side plus 30 is equals to 0. Equals to x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 plus 2 equals to 0, which is our quadratic equation. Now simplify this question, then we get our quadratic equation. We start roots of to find the roots of quadratic equation. By using this formula, indicate a is equals to 1. B equals to minus 3, C is equals to 2. B square minus 4AC is equals to minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 2. Minus 3 square is equals to 9 minus 4 ones are 4 twos are 8 is equals to 1. Now what is our quadratic formula? X is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a and x is equals to minus b minus under root 4ac b square minus 4ac upon 2. Put here value x is equals to minus 3 plus under root 1 upon 2 into 1 and x is equals to minus 3 minus under root 1 upon 2 into 1. X is equals to, here x is equals to minus minus plus 3 plus square root of 1 is equals to 1 upon 2 ones are 2. X is equals to 3 plus 1 4 upon 2. X is equals to, we get 2. Solution, roots of equation is equals to, x is equals to 2. And equals to, x is equals to minus minus plus 3 minus root 1. Square root of 1 is equals to 1. Here sign is minus, minus 1 upon 2. 3 minus 1, that means 2 upon 2 is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. Which are roots? 1 and 2 are roots of quadratic equation or given equation. Okay, 1 and 2 or 2 and 1 are roots of quadratic equation. Now, here we complete our question number 3. Again, first we simplify equation. Its form is ax square plus bx plus c. Then we find a, b, c. Indicate a, b, c. Find b square minus 4ac. Value of b square minus 4ac. Putting in formula and we get x is equals to 2, x is equals to 1.